It's Damon here from Deco Exchange, and we're gonna make a pretty quick project tonight, I think. All right, y'all, I'm using one of the signs from our subscription box. On metal signs, I like to use the cable tie mounts. So all I did was I took two, glued them on the back, wrapped them in a pipe cleaner. To be extra sure they're not gonna move, I'm gonna take my hot glue gun and go around them like caulk on a seal. So on the actual mount, I used super glue. All right. So just getting our pipe cleaner through the grapevine. We're gonna pull it tight. All right, see how it's kind of sinking in a little bit? Y'all, we have two options. Option number one is we add another twist tie mount here and zip tie it over here. But when we do that, we're gonna have to make sure that our greenery or our bow or something covers that gap. So now we just have to make sure that when we design, we cover this. So ribbon tail, about a 6-inch loop. And on this side, let's go longer than the 8 inches. We're gonna do another 6-inch loop. And then another long tail. All right, longer tail on this end. Y'all, now I'm gonna grab the raffia. All right, so just a little bit of our raffia. Okay, and add that to our layer. Now we're gonna go back with all of our ribbons and do one more layer. All right. So y'all, same thing, same loops. This layer, we're gonna do our tails slightly shorter. So y'all, this layer of tails is about 3 to 4 inches shorter than the other one. All right, one more layer of our raffia. Y'all, on the raffia, we will come back and trim it up so it's not quite all willy-nilly. Let's do one more layer of our bows. This time our tails are gonna be even shorter. Now, I'm gonna do a little bit of raffia in the center. This time, I'm gonna take my raffia, I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna put a little knot in it. That little knot, I'm gonna put that knot right on the opposite side of our peg. We're gonna slide it off. We're gonna put our pipe cleaner around it. All right, let's get this nice and tight. Give it a twist. The only thing that we don't have is this color blue. We could potentially grab a little bit of this amazing poly burlap. All right, then we just pick where we want this to end up. I think I want it to be where the tip covers that pipe cleaner. Get my side with the longer tails. All right, now, y'all, the trick is gonna be that you want your pipe cleaner attached furthest out on the edge as possible, right? Because you want your bow to be as far away from your sign as possible, right? If we had the bow this way anymore, it would cover our scarecrow. So let's get this tightened down. Y'all, that raffia will give your bow a whole new look. Now, y'all, this raffia, listen, it can't be looking like Corona hair. So we are going to take our scissors and just clean that up a little bit. Like this one is like 14 feet, y'all. We can't have all that. Like, I want it to be a little messy and a little fun, but I don't want it to, like, tickle your toes when you open the door. All right, on the dovetails, you're gonna fold them in half and then cut from the inside to the outside wire. Wire. Y'all, I can't talk tonight. Y'all, this little, this stuff will have to work for my greenery. Now, y'all, whenever you have greenery like this, don't just be jabbing that whole stem in there, making it look all crazy. Look for places where you can cut these into smaller pieces so that you have a better idea of what it's gonna look like. So let's start with our greenery build out. Put us a little bit of glue on our stem. So you can see how we started building up. Now let's start building out and down. Y'all, we probably have to use one that I didn't cut so small. See how our green base, it's kind of yellow today, but you know, our greenery base is filling in. It goes all the way around the outside of our bow and then comes down and keeps going. The greenery got a little bit bigger than I was expecting it to. To fix it, we're gonna take a strip of ribbon, another strip of ribbon, and another strip of ribbon, and maybe a little bit of raffia. Okay. We're gonna take this one little strip. We're gonna make one small loop. We're gonna bring the other, let's make a little bit smaller. I think I want the blue on top. All right, let's add our raffia in here. Then let's add our other tail. We need another pipe cleaner. All right, now y'all, we kind of made this little nubby baby bow. All right, right there in that spot, we're gonna go ahead and add this bow. All right, y'all, so what I did here was I just carried on the colors of the ribbon tails. See how we just kind of carried our ribbon tails? Now let's get a few down here just to keep it going. All right, so we made our little fake bow. We're gonna put our pipe cleaner on this one. All right, y'all, let's add our flowers. I'm gonna start with these dark blue ones. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get the other blue stem. Oh, I got lots of blue stems, we're good. I was thinking I only had 2, but we have 3. So there's the blue flowers. Let's get a little bit of these bright orange. Y'all, and these bright orange flowers, we're making stick out longer and we'll just go with longer than all the bases. Y'all, what's nice about these flowers is they're all wired. Now you can see how fun, layered, and textured this is. Let's get just a little bit of this blue, not a ton. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take these leaves and anywhere I can see just a gap in the background, I'm gonna add a bushel of these leaves just to help fill it in. I want these pumpkins in there, but I'll be honest, I'm not feeling the pumpkins. I mean, I guess I can make them work. All right, I'm done. I'm bored with this wreath, so I need to move on. I think it's finished. We've got all the colors in it.